Working with technical documentation and have an HMXZ project file. This is a compressed project from Help and Manual, the documentation authoring tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these documentation projects. My experience tells me that some HMXZ files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. HMXZ files are compressed project files used by Help and Manual, a professional help authoring tool from EC Software. They contain complete documentation projects packed into a single compressed file, including topics, images, templates, and project settings enabling easy distribution and backup of documentation projects. HMXZ project files use zip-based compression, containing the complete Help and Manual project structure, with topic XML files, embedded media template definitions, and project configuration. The format includes all resources needed to rebuild the documentation project, enabling self-contained project transfer and backup workflows for technical writers. The preferred application for managing the HMXZ file is Help and Manual from EC Software. To access all data streams, audio, video, also subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows offers limited usefulness with complex archives, so proper access requires decompression software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your HMXZ file and select Open with. Test Help and Manual if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When a HMXZ file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If your HMXZ file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of three predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, opening in Help and Manual. Launch Help and Manual and use File then Open to load the HMXZ project. The application automatically decompresses the project and opens it in the editing environment, with all topics, media, and settings intact. Continue documentation work with full access to Help and Manual's authoring features for the imported project. Next, extracting manually. Rename the HMXZ file extension to zip and extract using any zip utility like 7-zip or WinRAR. The extraction reveals the project's internal structure, including XML topic files, images, and configuration. This approach enables examining project contents or migrating to other documentation tools without Help and Manual. Finally, backing up projects. Use HMXZ format for regular backup of Help and Manual projects to prevent data loss. The compressed format reduces backup storage requirements while preserving complete project state. Store HMXZ backups in version-controlled or cloud storage locations, ensuring recovery options if working project files become corrupted or accidentally deleted. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.